Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Rit DYE. So I'm going to be dyeing the synthetic Atozwig wig, if I'm saying it right. I got this wig from Amazon. The company sent it to me, so thank you so much for this beautiful unit. I'm going to be dyeing it a pink color today, and I'm just showing you how it looks. It is a lace front wig, so it has some lace in the back as well. 3 combs, so 1 in the back and 2 on the sides, and then the rest is just for free parting. So yes, I'm super excited to be dyeing this wig today. So let's cross our fingers and hope that it turns out right. So the first thing that you want to do is just fill your clear container or whatever you want to use up with water. I use some boiling water. Right here I'm just cleaning it out because it still has some dye from my previous dyeing that I did with another synthetic wig. I'll link that down below in the description box. But you just want to fill it up with boiling hot water and a little bit of tap water. So I'm using this Rit dye that I got from Michael's, and I'm using these 2. And before you use it, you want to make sure that you shake it up and just pour whatever amount you want to pour in. I used a little bit because I didn't want the color to be too dark, or I didn't want to use too much of one of the colors. So just go ahead and watch what I do. Now I did leave this in for about 10 minutes the most, because like I said, I didn't want it to be a super dark pink or a super dark purple, so I just left it in for about 10 minutes and then I took it out. But right here you can just see me patting it all in just to make sure that I cover all of the strands within the wig. So yeah. This is how the wig turned out. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It is exactly what I wanted. So yes, like I said, I just left it on for 10 minutes and bam, look at that, popping. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this air dry. Make sure that you put a towel down on the floor. If you're like, it depends on where you're drying it, but just make sure you put a towel down so that the color doesn't drip everywhere. But this is how the hair looks wet, and then this is how it looks dry. This wig is bomb. Thank you guys so much for sending me this wig, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you, and talk to you in the next video. Don't let me